If you are someone who is always in the lookout for simple, quick and healthy recipes, then this one is for you. Today we will show you 3 easy protein smoothies combination which take hardly any prep time and are super nutritious to start your day with. Let's begin with the breakfast smoothie, which needs 25 to 30 grams of raw whey protein powder, 1 tablespoon peanut butter, 2 teaspoon jaggery powder for sweetness, 1 medium frozen banana, 40 gram or 1/3 cup instant oats, 1 cup washed spinach leaves, 180 ml almond milk, or you can replace it with regular milk. Add everything in the blender jar. Just remember to use frozen fruits as it helps maintain the consistency of the smoothies without adding ice. Freeze your ingredients the night before and all you do is pop them in your blender jar and your healthy breakfast is ready in no time. Next up is our Tropical Blast protein smoothie. For this, you will need 25 to 30 grams of raw whey protein powder, 200 gram frozen pineapple, 150 gram frozen apple, 1 teaspoon flax seeds, 2 teaspoon honey, 150 ml coconut milk. Simply blend all this together. The best things about these smoothies is that you can always tweak the proportion to your liking and can get as creative as you like with the ingredients. This one tastes like a beach holiday to us. The next one is a dose of antioxidant. All we need is 200 grams of frozen papaya, 100 grams frozen kiwi, some carrots, honey for added sweetness, half cup of green tea to help everything blend together, and of course, protein powder. You can also use Greek yogurt as your protein if you do not have protein powder. Another advantage of these smoothies is that you can sneak any vegetable you like without noticing them. Just make sure to keep the quantity of veggies lesser than the fruits. This one is a great for people who love papaya. You can swap it with oranges as well. You can check out the recipes in the description box as well. How beautiful does it look? Our Independence Day special smoothies are ready to be enjoyed. Let's all get into the habit of making healthier eating choices. Happy Independence Day, guys. Until next time, eat healthy, stay healthy. Cheers.